It's a myth. Again, a lot of choreographers like Farah ma'am, Ganesh sir, Sidhu Paji asked के choreographer कहाँ है जी बुलाओ. So he was in a state of shock. So for अरे मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. Like.
So welcome to Candid Canvas by Saima Sheikh. Today we have another interesting guest with us, and she is none other than celebrity choreographer and even a destination choreographer. She is a dance educator even. So let me introduce you to Malika Beg. So Malika, welcome to Luxury Aesthetics.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Such a pleasure to be here.
So Malika, I will be starting with the questions, and my first question goes like this. You started your dancing career at a very young age. Can you just brief about how you started your career?
So it all started with being a passion. I was about 5 or 6 when I used to see everybody around me dancing and at parties. So my parents must have seen that kind of interest in me. So they put me in classes, and from there on, it just got bigger and bigger. That excitement and that love towards the art, and then it continued. And once I reached a level where I thought that it can be taken up professionally, then I became very serious about it.
I must tell you that she's a girl with a spark, and I saw her in Destination Wedding in Phuket, where she was on her toes, and she has made the entire wedding crew dance like anything. It was maddening, and the level of energy she has is tremendous. And she's also a very warm person, so that is her, I think, strength.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
What sparked your passion for dance?
Initially, it was just about learning and being happy about going to the classes, meeting my friends, and at a point, it also became very important for me to lose weight, because as you know how adolescents, they tend to eat too much of junk food, and they put on suddenly the growth hormones, they change, and there are a lot of developments in your body getting into adulthood. So I also faced the same challenges, and body weight became a big issue.
Must be into fast food and all.
Yeah, and I became lethargic also, because there was too much of pressure of the studies as well, and you had to sit all day long and study all day long, binging on food, and that kept on going. And then during boards, especially between 10th and 12th, so that was a period when I gained a lot of weight, and my parents thought that this is alarming. And as any Indian household would think, like, how will she be able to get married if she's that fat or whatever. So then all the way became more important for me to go for an exercise, from an exercise point of view, to classes, because back then gymming was not very fashionable as it is these days. And there's I would say that the awareness of going to a gym was not as much as it is now. And so these classes, these physical classes, going to a park or going to a dance class or an aerobics class, was the only lender of resort for people like us. And that's what my mother and my father, my parents thought. And I was taken to a class. Little did they know that it'll develop into something else.
So that's good. Now you have taken dance as a career, because now you don't have to do anything. It keeps you on your toes, and you burn your calories as much as you want.
It's a myth, again. But yes, it definitely it helps, to most of us, to keep ourselves fit, provided we eat healthy.
Because eating is 80%, which helps, and 20% is your exercising part.
Right. This is what a lot of people ask me, and a simple answer which I give them to make them understand it in a layman's language, that your body is very, very smart in terms of getting addicted to a particular kind of a workout. That's why you must have seen a lot of sports person getting into a different kind of sport to give their body a jerk and their mind a different kind of a twist, so that the body doesn't get used to it.
Exactly.
So as dancers, you must have seen a lot of choreographers like Farah ma'am, Ganesh sir, they put on weight.
Lot of weight, not only weight, but lot of weight.
But they've now reduced also. So this is what happens, that when your practice or your performance gets lesser, and instruction. You get into more of instruction. So you're like sitting on the camera or just sitting and instructing the children in class or your assistants or whoever, and you kind of move less. There comes a point in every choreographer's life. So that is where you have to keep a check on it and continue your workout. Or riyaz, how you say that.
Perfect. So any memorable performance project which you have done, कोई यादगार project हो आपका, आपने किया हो celebrity के साथ?
मैम, जब मैं शामा कंपनी में थी तो मुझे बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ ऑलमाइटी. और ऑफ कोर्स माय मेंटर शामक इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट
Yes, he is indeed
कोरियोग्राफर्स.
Bollywood Shamak,
यस.
yeah.
सो वहाँ की जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, इनन्यूमरेबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, वो हमेशा ही मुझे मेरे यादगार रहेंगी. मेरे सारे इंस्ट्रक्टर्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, जितना कुछ वहाँ सीखने को मिला. सो बहुत से ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स थे, मूवी प्रोजेक्ट्स, सीरियल्स, वी यूज्ड टू डू कॉर्पोरेट शोज. सो आई मीन आई कांट नेम वन, बट एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट कोरियोग्राफर जब मैंने अपना खुद का काम शुरू किया और सबका बहुत प्यार मिला, तो मेरा एक प्रोजेक्ट था जो मैंने जी न्यूज़ के लिए किया था फॉर द वर्ल्ड कप एंथम.
Okay.
जिसमें मैंने सिद्धू पाजी और गौरव कपूर, शोएब मलिक और अजय जडेजा जी को एक एक्ट सिखाया
wonderful.
था. तो वो मेरा फर्स्ट इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोजेक्ट भी था एज अ कोरियोग्राफर. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई स्टेप्ड आउट एज एन इंडिविजुअल कोरियोग्राफर इन द इंडस्ट्री, एंड for the first time I had
At
assistants with
such
me.
a young age.
Yes, ma'am. I was pretty young, yeah, back then. And so much so that when Sidhu Paji asked कि choreographer कहाँ है जी, बुलाओ. So मैंने बोला सर मैं हूँ. बोलते तू है? So he was in a state of shock. So for like good 2-3
Yes.
minutes he didn't say anything. He kept looking here and there कि
यही
यही
choreographer है या ये कोई बच्चा
Then,
आ गया?
Then he must have realized कि मुझे शायद बुरा ना लग जाए, तो उन्होंने कहा अरे मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. Like how he is.
Now we will come to some spicy part of our show. So any wildest blind date which you have done?
No, ma'am, never. Blind date. I have been on dates though, yes, but I'm very choosy and particular about who I meet and go out with.
Unexpected heart skipper.
Yes. So there is an instructor of mine, my teacher, and somebody who's been my dance inspiration. And I secretly, like, it's an open secret, everybody knows that I really admire him. And whenever he dances, my heart skips a beat to watch him dance, because he's such a brilliant performer and such a learned person. I mean, there's all emotions, if you put in a
All
plate,
together, yeah.
emotional, respect, emotion, love, and that somebody to look up to. So all in
He's the one.
Yeah.
So after watching show,
everybody-
Don't Fly High.
He knows it. Everybody knows it.
Acha.
Everybody knows
So
about
it's
it.
not a secret.
It's an open
revealed.
secret.
Okay. So in future, if you'll have a boyfriend, as you said, you're not dating anyone. So in future, if you'll have, what are the qualities you want in him?
Kindness would be the first and foremost, and the rest would be good looks, and good looks.
Good one. So guys, be prepared, okay? Now, what is your skincare secrets? Would you love to tell us? आपका radiant complexion का क्या राज है?
Thank you, ma'am. Coming from you really means a lot. I drink a lot of water, make sure that I eat healthy.
And you visit luxurious.
And yes, that's the most important. That for not only for celebrities, I feel people like us also. We are celebrities in our own way. The little difference that we are making in people's life around us, I think we should be very proud about it and proud of it, and be modest about what you are, and take good care of yourself. And that
What
includes-
change luxury has bought in you? Like,
Yeah, I was about to say this, ma'am. That includes coming to luxury aesthetics, because it's a very good thing to pamper yourself. At the same time, get good results, which lead you to a better future. For a person like me who has to constantly face the camera, meet a lot of people on a daily basis, so my skin, the way I look, the way I present myself is extremely important, and luxury has extremely been very helpful throughout that journey of mine. Thank you.
thank you. So, what is your favorite treatment for healthy, glowing skin, which you have taken in luxury, as you said?
Though I have taken many treatments, it's very difficult to remember the technical name of it, but the hydrofacial is something which
Yes.
I would recommend everyone to go for at least once, because it is not a regular or a typical beauty regime. It is a very scientific approach to give proper hydration to your skin.
Thank you. And what are your upcoming projects, Malika?
Ma'am, one of it I can't reveal as of now, but inshallah soon it's going to be out, and I hope I'll make you all proud when you watch it. And but yes, there are two destination weddings, that I have in the coming season. Almighty is kind, and our summer show, which we do with the children of the dance academy, Exuberance, is lined up. So we will be probably doing it in the month of June, and you're cordially invited from now only.
Thank you so much. So, what are your dream projects for the future? Do you have any?
Yes.
Anything beyond this?
Yeah, as they say, the sky is limit. Would love to, inshallah, one day choreograph a Bollywood movie. I think that's the only thing left, and I am aiming for it. In fact, I'm manifesting it in a year or two.
You will get it.
I want to see myself there.
get
Yes.
अच्छा मालिका, टेल मी वन थिंग, कभी बाउंड्रीज पुश करी है आपने अपने कोरियोग्राफी में?
जी.
कैसे?
फॉर्चुनेटली वो रिलीज नहीं हुआ गाना. पर मेरे पास उसकी फुटेज है, और जब आप चाहे मैं आपको जरूर दिखाऊंगी.
बट
आपको
व्हाट
बहुत
इज
मजा
इट?
आएगा.
आवर व्यूअर्स वांट टू नो.
So it had lyrics which were objectionable, and I don't know, maybe वो किस वजह से नहीं पास हुआ, but
सेंसर ने उसको.
जी. और वो एक्चुअली बाइलिंगुअल गाना था, एक हिंदी और भोजपुरी का मिक्स.
ओके. भोजपुरी तो गाने आपको पता ही है.
जी. बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हम उसे बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बट जो डिमांड थी उस वक्त, उस तरीके से उसे कोरियोग्राफ करने के लिए कहा गया, और मैंने वो करवाया, पर बस वो आया नहीं बाहर. बट आप जब देखना चाहेंगी तो इट बी अवेलेबल.
ओह, आई वुड लव टू सी दैट.
श्योर.
ऐसी चीज़ों में मज़ा बहुत आता है.
जी ज़रूर. अगर आप अपने काम को एंजॉय करते हैं तो आप इसे इस नज़रिए से देखते ही
देखते ही नहीं
नहीं.
हैं.
जी, बिकॉज हर तरीके की ऑडियंस है. वी हैव ऑडियंस फॉर एवरी जॉनरे.
So you have done your training in Kathak, contemporary, and jazz even. So how do you describe yourself in this?
So training in multiple styles is actually a basic necessity which every dancer should do. आजकल लोग बहुत ही कम समय की ट्रेनिंग के बाद ही बहुत जल्दी अपने आप को एक कोरियोग्राफर या एक टीचर डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं, विच इज़ नॉट अ बैड थिंग. अगर आप सिखाना चाहें, सीख के सिखाना चाहें, उससे बेहतरीन कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि वो आपके स्किल्स को पॉलिश ही करता है, आपको और बेहतर बनाता है, एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस. बट अपने आप को इस्टेब्लिश करना एज अ टीचर और एज अ डांस एजुकेटर और अ कोरियोग्राफर, आई थिंक इट रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क. It requires homework, and you should be true to your art.
Yes.
Learning should never stop. आप अपने आप को डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स में ट्रेन करें, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर करने की
You
कोशिश
have
करें.
to be very passionate, determined, hard working for it.
You should be a smart seller.
And that I have seen in her, because everybody was tired in the wedding, but she was not. Like, she was dancing on the stage and she was full of energy. And yes, it is commendable.
Thank you, ma'am.
And we are so blessed to have you here today. Dance is a very powerful form of expression. So how do you take it? Like,
So my take on it is that you're absolutely right, ma'am. Dance is one art form, a beautiful art form that allows us to express. So whatever you're feeling, you can express it through your dance and movement. So that allows us and gives us a lot of space and room to be ourselves. And I'm sure our viewers will also agree to this. And one piece of advice to everyone, that you must try to dance at least once in life.
yes. And it is always, always energetic. You feel so good. I myself love dancing. So whenever I am bored, or whenever I'm tired, or something is there, some negative thoughts are going in my mind, I always opt for dancing, and which gives you inner happiness.
Right. It totally does. I agree to that.
So our last question today you have taken another new treatment in luxury aesthetics. So, what was it? How did you find it different? And how it has helped you? Like,
Yeah, so up till now I was just taking the skin treatments from Luxury, but today I also experienced a spa treatment, a hair treatment I would say. And as you can see, मेरी घनी जुल्फों का राज और बहुत ही अच्छा मुझे एक्सपीरियंस लगा उसके ट्रीटमेंट के बाद और आई एम श्योर मैं उसे कंटिन्यू करूँगी बिकॉज इट हैज़ ग्रेट रिजल्ट्स आई कैन फील इट ऑन माई हेयर एंड द स्कैल्प.
good. I can also see because they were dry when initially they started, but एक ही treatment में she has got good results. So thank you so much for being on the show. But before we sign off, we need
Pleasure,
your
ma'am.
signatures here, and then we'll give you the gift hamper which we have that is exclusively for you, as you've answered the questions very well.
Thank you so much. So sweet of you.
So this is for Luxury Aesthetic. A message from Malika Baig. Lovely. Can you read what you have written?
Yes, keep up the good work. As I can see that you're the most authentic brand that's doing what you're saying. So please keep up the good work and shine bright.
Thank you so much. And here's a gift hamper for you. It is all assorted good creams for you, which will take good care of your skin. So it is all anti-aging moisturizers. Plus, I don't know, my team has prepared it, so they know it very well. They have clustered all kind of creams in it, and they're very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having me here.
So go and join Malika's
Yes, I'll be
Dance
very happy to
classes.
train all of you.
lovely having you. So thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am.